So we are asked to show that these two functions are inverse. So the best thing you need to do, we have two ways of finding the inverse of two functions. So I'm going to do this in this video, okay? Then the second method, I'm going to do it in our next video. So try and watch it so that you can understand the two methods. So let's talk about the first one. The first one is that the composite of this function must be equals to x, and the composite of what? G of x must also be equals to x. Okay, so this must be achieved. Now, if you don't know what composition of function is, please go and watch my video where I explain how it's been done. So let's do the first one. So the composite of f of g of x will now be, now instead of x, I will replace it with the function of g of x. So I have -3, okay, in the bracket of square root of 5 minus x out of 2, out of 3 rather, then squared, then I now have plus 5, okay? So what does this simply mean? So this is -3, and please don't forget, okay? Don't forget for your g of x, there's something I need to show you. So this easily can cancel this because it's square can cancel square root. So I now have 5 minus x over 3, then plus 5, right? So this, I can simplify this by this cancelling this. So I now have -5 minus x plus 5, right? Remember, we are still dealing with the composition of these two functions. So this is now going to be x multiplied by this is going to give you -5, x multiplied by this plus this, then plus this, okay? So our f of g of x will now be equals to, so this is going to cancel this, which is x, okay? So the first condition met. So let's talk about the second condition. I'm going to solve it here. So the second condition, we have g, I don't know if you can see this, g of x equals, okay, let me write it this way. G of composite of f will now be equals to the square root, okay, of 5 minus, instead of x, I'm going to write the functions of f of x. So I now have -3x squared plus 5. Then everything over 3. Okay, so this is it. Then let's simplify this. So we now have the composite of f of g of x will now be equals to square root of 5. This will now be plus 3x squared minus 5 over 3. How do I get that? So negative times negative is 3x squared will give you positive. Negative multiplied by this positive is going to give you also positive. So this can cancel this because they are opposite. They are in opposite direction. So we now have 3x squared over 3, right? So we can also cancel this out. So we now have x squared, okay? And that is our composite. So what can we do here? Of course, you can guess right. This will cancel this. So we also prove that f of x is also x, because when this cancel this, what we have left is x. So we also prove that the composition of these two functions are equals to x. And that is how you solve this type of question. Okay, don't forget to go to the other video where I'll be showing you, that is the part 4 of this series, where I'll be showing you how you can solve it with the other method. So you can choose the one you want. See you in my next video. Peace out.